right, welcome back to James Engineering. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about sprocket deburring. We see a lot of people out in the field with these grinders, and we'll see a guy out there grinding a part, taking the part off, load another part, grind the part, and they have a pretty quick cycle time, but this thing's 13 pounds. So you're telling me that this guy's gonna take this 13-pound grinder around 8 hours a day and do that part every 5 or 10 seconds? I don't think that's sustainable. So what we think is a machine that can do this in that 5 to 10 second range is going to far outpace someone doing it by hand. So let's run a part.